Are you tired of waiting days or even weeks for estimates from tradespeople, only to find out they're completely outside your budget? Or maybe you're just curious about how much that new patio, extension, or kitchen might cost. Well, with Pricing Penguin, you don't have to wait around anymore. Simply head over to pricingpenguin.co.uk or open the app and start a chat with our smart AI. Log in or sign up completely free of charge so we can give you the most accurate estimates and match you with the best local contractors. Then, just tell the AI what you're planning, whether it's a garden room, a new kitchen, or a simple home improvement project. In seconds, you'll get an estimated price range for your job, along with recommendations for trusted local tradespeople near you. Once you've found someone you like, simply select them and a pre-written email with all the job details is sent automatically, saving you time, effort, and all the back and forth. So you can sit back, relax, and focus on the things you love, while Pricing Penguin does the hard work for you. Visit pricingpenguin.co.uk to get started today.